It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, but fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
在这一次，我们呢以星空跟梦想为主轴，来透过烟火的颜色、造型和节奏来呈现。烟火的颜色跟造型也象征着跨越阻碍、挑战命运的勇气，表达即使命运有所限制，我们仍然可以努力改变，追求属于自己的幸福哦。哇！在今晚，我们用烟火来点亮将军渔港的夜空，也象征着点亮台南。在今天，借由最璀璨的高空烟火秀，象征对梦想永不放弃的追求，以及对美好事物无止境的渴望，表达即使永远无法满足，我们仍要抱持希望，不断的前进。
Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Time ago are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be
哇！在今晚，我们用高空璀璨的烟火，点亮我们将军渔港的夜空，也象征着满满的希望、满满的能量。我们再给台南一个最热情的掌声！